Welcome to Code with Kanna. Now in this video I will cover what are the applications of Python and how to install Python programming and the different ways we can write and execute our Python code. Okay, now the first one is what are the applications of Python programming. Okay, so applications of Python. So here the first one is web development. So here uh, Django and Flask. Here, Django and Flask are popular Python frameworks for web development. They provide tools to create web applications and websites with databases, user authentications, and more. Okay, and the second one, data science. Here, pandas, numpy, and matplot library. Matplot library. Okay, here pandas, numpy, and matplot library are Python libraries for data science. So they help you work with the data and analyzing the data, and they are also used to create graphs and charts to understand it better. Okay, and next third one, machine learning, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Here, TensorFlow, TensorFlow, and PyTorch, and scikit-learn. Okay, so here TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn are Python libraries for machine learning and artificial intelligence. Here, Python help you create programs that can learn from data, like recognizing images or predicting stock prices. Okay, and next fourth one, automation. Here Python help you make your computer do things automatically, like collecting information from websites and filling out forms, like that. Okay, and next fifth one, scientific computing. Scientific computing. Here, sci-fi, sci-fi, and NumPy. Sci-fi and NumPy. Okay, Sci-fi and NumPy are Python libraries for scientific computing. They provide tools for working with mathematical functions, arrays, and simulations. Okay, and next last one is game development. Game development. Here, Pygame. Pygame is the Python library for game development. So here, Pygame provides tools to create 2D games, including graphics, sounds, and user interactions. So, like in this way, Python help you make 2D games. 2D games with simple computer games, like simple computer games or mobile games with graphics and sounds. Okay. Now let's move on to installing Python software. So here the installation is necessary for writing and running Python code. So to install Python, start by searching python.org. Okay, so in Google you can simply search python.org. So here python.org is the official website for Python software. So once you are in Python website, go for the download option. So here as you see in that Python 3.0 12.2, which is the latest version. So if you click on this, it will start downloading automatically. Now I go to click on this Python 3.12.2. Now it was downloaded. Okay. So after downloading, go to downloads, go to download folder on your computer. Okay, so downloads. So here you will find the Python software. Okay, simply double click on it. Okay, so here during installation, okay, make sure to check this one. Okay, add python.exe to path. Okay, but suppose if you forget to check this option, you will need to set the path manually after installation. So here I strongly suggest checking this option during installation of Python software, so that you don't need to set any path after installation. Okay, so and click on this install now. So this is a default location. It will taken it was taken. Okay, so install now. Now it is installing. Okay, it will take just a couple of seconds for installing the software. Okay, close. So here the Python software is installed. So after installation, if you want to confirm whether it was installed successfully or not, so for that open command prompt. Okay, here I am open command prompt, and simply you can type Python space hyphen version and press enter. So here you should see, okay, here you should see Python version is displayed like this 3.12.2. So just now we are installed this Python software. Okay, so by in this way you can confirm our installation is successful. Okay, now let's explore how many ways we can write and execute our Python scripts. Okay, so how many ways we can write and execute our Python scripts. Here the first one is using interactive mode, and the second one is using script mode, and the third one is using Python IDLE, and the fourth one is using PyCharm editor. So here these are four ways we can write our Python code. In my next video, I will show you how to write code using these four methods, and also demonstrate how to install PyCharm editor. Okay, thank you.